This is Ben from ShouldIGetIt.com, and I want to show you guys the HornBlasters PA system that I just got for my Ford Raptor. This is just going to be an unboxing. I just want to show you what it comes with so you can understand sort of what space you need in your truck or vehicle and also what sort of wiring we have. So on this side of the box, we'll get into the details in a second, we have the actual controller module that goes into the vehicle, and we have the microphone and wiring. Then in this smaller box here, which is fairly hefty actually, we have the speaker unit itself. So this is a big boy. I should weigh it. This weighs quite a bit. This is not light. It's not a cheap plastic. It has a mounting bracket here as well, and it's got some heft, so I think it's gonna be really loud. We have the wiring here. So we have the positive and ground, I believe. So I'm gonna put this to the side. And then on here, we have the instruction manual, actually printed pretty nicely and large. PA system install manual, installing your PA system, has the installing the microphone part, wiring diagram, etc. Front of the relay, all that stuff. Then we have an auxiliary cable, so 3.5mm aux. If you want to plug in your phone and play some music through there. We have mounting hardware. We also have some more mounting hardware, it looks like. I think this is for the control box. We have the microphone itself. Now, this is the really important part. I read that the Gen 2 system from HornBlasters, and I guess the Gen 1, did not pick up very well. You had to put your mouth super close to it. This one is supposed to be a little bit more sensitive, and so you don't have to like put it right to your lips. I'm very curious to test that out. You can see this is the connector that puts it into the control module. Then you have this area here, which is for the mounting, which now that I think about it, I think that this sort of slides on and can hold your microphone to various places. I hope that I can mount this to my sunshade visor. That's where I'd like this ideally, or somewhere near my knees. All right, then we have the control box. See this size here. There's the front of it. Got a couple different modes. So we have horn and siren. This is not a flip switch in the sense of like it holds. If you want a horn, you just tap it so you can get a quick horn. If you want to use the siren, you could just do that. If you want it to stay on a certain sound, then you can go to the different modes. So we have microphone, wail, yelp, high, low, and then we have our aux cable here. We have our gain. I'm gonna set it to off for now. Has a nice click, which is cool. Then we have on-off switches for the auxiliary power control. So if you want to have additional things plugged in, use this as an aux switch, such as auxiliary lighting for your vehicle, you could do that. So if you had, let's say, a light bar or something, you could actually wire it to here, control the light bar, and then you control your audio from this PA100 system. Finally, we have a mounting bracket. So this would mount to the vehicle, and then this goes onto there. So you could put that in various places in your truck. Then we have the wiring setup. So looks pretty simple. Has a fuse already here, which is nice. Has a ton of wire in terms of length, so we should be able to run this anywhere we need to in the truck. And that is the system. I think that this may actually fit in quite a few spots in the Raptor. So I'm gonna test place it in a few places. Might do it on the passenger side, might do it in the center console, large armrest glove box area. Might do it above the radio in the dash. So we'll see, have a couple options for this. It's not too big, it is hefty. You can hear it, metal construction, see that. And we have our plug setup right here. I believe this is a cap. Let's pull this guy off. There we go. That's where your connector is going to go, right here. And that is the setup. So, HornBlasters Gen 3 unboxing. So excited to get this done. I have a little bit more work to do today, but then I'm getting to this, and I will upload another video having some fun with this system. Thanks for watching.